Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Liberty Mutual Billing Autopay and Reminders easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Liberty Mutual Billing Autopay, start by logging into your Liberty Mutual account on their official website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the billing section on your dashboard. In the billing section, look for the option labeled Autopay or Payment Settings. Click on this option to access the Autopay setup. You will see an overview of Autopay benefits and requirements. Read through the information to ensure you understand how Autopay works. If you're ready to proceed, click the button that says Enroll in Autopay. Next, you'll need to select the bank account, or if you haven't added a payment method yet, you can do so by following the prompts. After selecting your payment method, confirm the frequency of your payments. Typically, you can choose between monthly or other available options. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click Submit to activate your Autopay. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that Autopay is now set up. Next, to activate payment reminders, return to the billing section. Look for an option labeled Payment Reminders or Notifications. Click on this option to manage your reminder preferences. Select how you would like to receive reminders, such as via email or SMS. Set the timing for your reminders according to your preferences. Once you've made your selections, confirm and save your changes. You will get a notification confirming that your reminders are now set up. That's it. You have successfully activated Liberty Mutual Billing Autopay and Reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.